Parents in Illinois are often shocked to learn that they can be forced to help contribute to the college education of their children in a divorce. It is important to realize that there are essentially three parties involved: each parent and the child. All three have a responsibility for the cost of the child's education. As for the child, who most likely has no money, the court will require that that child apply for any types of grants or scholarships that might be available. In addition, depending upon the income of the parents, the court could require that the child also borrow some of the funds for his or her college education. As for the parents, the court will look at the respective incomes and resources of each parent and determine what percentage each parent should contribute to the college education of their children. Often, the parents will say that they have no money except for what they need each month to simply pay their rent or mortgage and other basic necessities. But that does not mean that the court cannot require a parent to contribute some of the funds, and if needed, borrow money to help pay for college education. Is there a maximum amount the court can order a parent to pay? Under the Illinois statute, there is no maximum amount set. However, many judges follow the rule that, unless there's some other agreement between the parents, that the cost will be set at no more than the cost for sending your child to the University of Illinois. Hence, if your child is admitted into a very expensive private university, the court could say that the limit that the court will consider on these costs is capped at what is charged by our state's premier public university. If you need help, what should you do? First, do not wait until a month or two before college starts to seek help. Rather, in the fall of your child's high school senior year, start communicating with the other parent about colleges that are being considered so that there's a dialogue. And even if that dialogue is rejected or falls apart, you can always point back to emails or other communications which show a court that you attempted to include the other parent in the discussion. Also, understand that if you have to go to court to compel the other parent to help pay for college education, the court may also impose an obligation on you. And you need to have a serious conversation with your child about what everyone's realistic abilities are to contribute to college education. If your child will be attending college in the fall, we strongly advise you to file a petition with the court by late winter or early spring at the latest. This is the time when decisions about which college your child will be attending are made and when financial loan applications are being completed. Please feel free to contact us today regarding your child's college education and to visit us at one of our 2 convenient offices. You want to make sure that you approach this in the correct manner so that you can get the needed assistance for your child that they deserve.